Hey guys, welcome to Rye Guys Garage. I wanted to give a quick update before we get into the video here. Um, so we haven't been putting out videos because a couple things have happened here. One, I had a house fire last December, late December, so I've been out of my house, not really able to do anything for like the last 8 months. And then we just put our house up for sale a couple months ago and it finally sold. So we're trying to migrate all of my stuff here at my house and all of Rye Guy's garage cars and all the stuff that we have sitting down at Ryan's shop and his house. We're trying to migrate that to my 75 acres that I bought. So things have been kind of hectic here, and I apologize for not producing videos. We have a couple things that we've done, but it's been kind of difficult to edit with me being so busy and Ryan working full time on doing paint jobs and restoration work and insurance jobs. So I kind of want to give that quick disclaimer there. We are in the process of currently moving all that stuff over to our new location where we will build a full shop, and we will be primarily working out of that facility on my property, so it'll be a lot easier to do that type of stuff. So kind of just want to give you guys an update why we're not producing videos and stuff hasn't been coming out, but we're going to get into this video here today. So we'll get into this here. Okay, as you can see, Ryan painted the hood on this as well as the entire truck, so this is the reveal of the entire paint job. Hood looks phenomenal. I think he still has to do a little bit of buffing on there, but you'll see here with the fenders once he closes the door that it's all pretty streamlined and there's no waves in the paint job. Everything's flat. All the body lines are lined up correctly, and this is without the truck even being fully put back together. You can see that beautiful blue color coming through with the light shining on it from the windows. But he did a phenomenal job with painting this truck, and that really goes to show you that more clear coat does a better job in the end because you can buff all that and wet sand it out, so it looks great.